Level up your camping cuisine. Hey there, outdoor adventurers. Imagine this, a cozy campsite under the stars, friends gathered around, and you, the star chef, whipping up a campground feast on your trusty 2-burner propane camping stove. Intrigued? Let's dive in. This beast is packing 16,000 BTUs of pure adjustable heat power, meaning, whether you're boiling, frying, or doing a delicate simmer, it's got your cooking game covered. Picture perfectly seared meats and boiled pasta al dente, all here. Portability? Absolutely. Fold this bad boy down to a tiny 11-inch package. We're talking about easy-breezy transport and storage, ideal for backpackers, campers, or even tailgaters. Plus, some models even have foldable side shelves for your culinary chaos. Built tough with stainless steel, it laughs at rugged terrain. The piezo ignition? It's your trusty sidekick for match-free instant starts. Bye-bye stinky lighters. The cherry on top is a 600D Oxford cloth carrying bag. It's like the superhero cape protecting your stove from scratches and moisture. Stylish and practical? Always. From weekend campers to BBQ pros, this stove's got your back. Ready to kickstart your next adventure? Click the link below and grab yours now. Lights, camera, propane.